Welcome fellow car lovers. If you have been driving around lately, you probably have seen many generations of this truck being driven. Today, we will be looking at the newest generation and the generation before that to see if Toyota have made a better truck. I am talking about the 2023 Toyota Tacoma and the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Now, let's go take a look at these two trucks. Toyota is adding two new appearance packages to its SR5 trim level for 2023 Tacomas. The SX package, which was previously available on the SR trim, is available for V6 SR5 with both access cab and double cab bodies. It adds black over fenders, black wheels, and more black trim details scattered throughout. The Tacoma is fully redesigned for the 2024 model year, which marks the midsize pickup truck's fourth generation. Along with inheriting a variant of the body-on-frame TNGAF platform shared with the recently redesigned Toyota Tundra. The 2023 Tacoma comes standard with a 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 159 horsepower and an optional 3.5-liter V6 producing 326 horsepower. Both engines can either be configured for rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and combined MPG rating spans between 20 and 22 miles per gallon. With a towing capacity of 6,800 pounds, the MSRP starts at $30,095 to $49,530. The 2024 Tacoma is available with a 2.4-liter turbo-charged inline for producing 228 horsepower as standard or 278 horsepower. Both available to either the rear wheels or four wheels. There is also an available hybrid version of the same engine displacement that outputs 326 horsepower and is only available with four-wheel drive. The maximum towing capacity for the new Tacoma is 6,400 pounds, while combined MPG rating is in the range of 24 to 26 miles per gallon. MSRP starts at $31,500 to $55,800. While outdated, the old Tacoma still has many great aspects. Unlike the new one, the SR trim of the old one can be optioned to have the V6 engine, while the new SR trim only gets the base inline 4. It also gets skid plates to protect its engine and front suspension as standard. On top of that, the old one is overall cheaper, with the top limited being more than $10,000 cheaper than the new Tacoma Limited. However, the older Tacoma also has its cons. While the new Tacoma is available with a 14-inch infotainment screen, while the old only gets an 8-inch infotainment. Its base four-cylinder engine is also extremely slow in comparison to the base engine of the new Tacoma. Lastly, while the old Tacoma has a maximum of 9.4-inch ground clearance, the new one has a staggering 11.5 inches. The new Tacoma has many great qualities. For one, the double cab version gets more rear legroom than previous generation. Being newer, the car also gets standard push-button start and available updated technology like digital phone key, digital rearview mirror, heads-up display, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Like the old one, the new Tacoma is also not perfect. Its base turbo inline-4 engine has a rated payload that is 220 pounds less than the slow four-cylinder of the old generation. The new Tacoma doesn't even get dual-zone climate as standard, unlike the old Tacoma. Lastly, while a hybrid option is available, the new Tacoma has lost its smooth and reliable V6 engine. In summary, the 2023 Tacoma may not have fancy technologies like the new Tacoma, but it has a smooth, reliable, and powerful V6 that is available on all trims, as well as features that gets the job done for either as a workhorse or off-roader. The 2023 Tacoma is also way cheaper than the new one. The new 2024 Tacoma may not have as many standard features, but once you go past the base trim, the truck can do everything the old one can and more. It has better, updated technology too. It may not have a V6, but it has an available hybrid powertrain that will save you more gas. Therefore, the winner is the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe.